Take your pick. When you're ready, pull the hammer right back. That's it. Okay? Now. You're ready to go now. Okay, pull it back again. We'll catch up with it. Doesn't always go bang. This is what you're up against. That time though. What do you reckon about that? Okay, have another one. You got 4 more there somewhere. Are you aiming it or are you just going bang?
I see holes.
You can have a go at that big white plate if you want to. Right in the middle. No, you got one more yet. Okay.